What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today, before I show the product that I'm gonna review, let me show you something else. I have Android smartphones. As a tech reviewer, I have a lot of Android smartphones, a lot of iPhones, and I have a lot of tablets like iPad and many other Android tablets. I personally use a MacBook Pro M1 Max. I also have a Surface Book Pro, and yeah, I use these devices every day in my daily life. Yeah, I have to use these every day. It's not like someday I use iPad, someday I use the Surface Book, and then someday I use the MacBook Pro M1 Max. But actually, due to different type of workflow, I have to use all these devices in different times of a day. So I was looking for a mouse, a very good mouse, which actually reduces fatigue and which would actually help me to increase productivity, which can be connected with a lot of different devices, and switching between the devices should be very easy. The mouse shouldn't cost a lot, and I have been looking for a mouse for almost 2 to 3 months now. I have bought a few, returned some, and tried to use some, and finally have managed to get the one that I use in my daily life without any issues. And I think I should say I'm simply in love with this ergonomic mouse. Okay, here is ProtoArc Ergonomic Sculpted Design Trackball Mouse, and this one is so different. This one offers comfort, and this one comes with RGB lighting. Well, this one only costs $59.99 US, but sometimes there are some coupons and options. I have managed to buy this one for $49.99 US, and at that price, this one is one of the best. I'm in love with this one, so I'm doing this review video. I'm trying to share my honest experience with you. Well, first check some specifications, then we will do the unboxing, and then we will talk about build quality, productivity, comfortability, and all other factors. This is ProtoArc EM01 Ergonomic Sculpted Design. The thing is, we can also tilt this mouse from 0 to 20 degrees. So depending on our habit and comfort level, we can tilt the mouse. Multi-device mouse for dynamic backlight RGB moods, easy to clean, detachable trackball. Remember, detachable trackball. There are a lot of buttons. There is left button, right button, forward button, backward button, trackball, LED rim light, light switch button, DPI button. Well, this mouse supports 3 different modes of DPI: 1000, 1600 and 2400. Charging, DPI indicator. There is a LED indicator which shows charging or DPI mode. Scroll wheel, switch device button. Yeah, we can switch between devices. 2.4G indicator, as this one comes with a 2.4G USB-A dongle, so there is a LED indicator. And yeah, we can also connect this mouse through Bluetooth with 2 other devices. I really like this simple packaging. It looks pretty nice. Let's do the unboxing. After you open the top lid, here comes the USB-A 2.4G dongle. Underneath the dongle, that's our ProtoArc EM01 ergonomic mouse. ProtoArc has also included a user manual. They have written everything clearly. There are a lot of illustrations, and there is a guidance how to connect this one with different devices and how to switch between devices. Oh, if I forgot to mention, then let me mention it clearly. You can connect this mouse at the same time with Android device, macOS device, Windows device, and iPadOS. So yeah, you can use this one with any devices that you want. Okay, the final thing inside the box is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is a very long, 1 meter long and very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Okay, here comes our ProtoArc EM01. Actually, you don't need to move this mouse around because you are gonna move your pointer using this trackball. So underneath the mouse, there is a very nice silicone pad. The mouse sits on any type of flat surface, and it's pretty difficult to move it around. Cause we actually don't need to move this mouse around. We are gonna move the pointer using this trackball. It's very easy to use this trackball. Even if you are using a trackball mouse for the first time, you will get accustomed to it within a few moments. And having a ring light around this trackball gives it a vibrant outlook. We can even change the ring light color. There are 4 different moods. There is a button to change the DPI. We can switch through between 1000, 1600 and 2400. There is a button to switch between 3 different devices. Number 1 is actually this USB-A 2.4G dongle, and number 2 and number 3 is actually Bluetooth devices. You need to connect this mouse using Bluetooth. There is a forward button, there is a backward button. All the buttons are pretty clicky. Yeah, there is a very nice clicky feelings, but this mouse won't make any sound. So in a silent or in an office environment, this mouse is perfect to use. I really like this scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is actually the second finest thing after this trackball because there are clicky feelings, and scrolling through pages using this scroll wheel is really so comfortable. Well, as I've mentioned earlier, there is a 20-degree tilt. If you don't like to use the mouse in this position, you can tilt it. So based on your requirement, you can go to 0 degree or 20 degree. I think this is the lightest trackball mouse that I've ever used, 190 grams. Oh my gosh, it's so very light. Well, let me connect this mouse with my iPad Pro M1 and let me show you how easy this one is to connect through Bluetooth and how easy this one is to use. A one-touch pairing. It's already paired. I already have a lot of ProtoArc devices because I like this brand. Now let me try to use this. Look at this. So very easy. I really love using this mouse. Not only with my iPad, I can use this mouse anytime using the 2.4G dongle with my Surface Book Pro, or I can connect this one with my MacBook Pro M1 Max. And I really like that switching between devices is pretty flawless. There is no issues. And if you really know how to use a trackball mouse, then you'd understand within a few minutes how good is this one. Premium build quality, ergonomic design, every cutout, every design language actually adds comfortability and increases productivity. And one more time, I really like this RGB lighting. The other thing that I like is that whenever I want, I can tilt this mouse up to 20 degree. Oh yes, if we want, then we can remove this trackball and clean it. Well, let's talk about battery life. This mouse comes with 900 mAh battery. 900, because most of its competitors, which even costs more than $100, comes with a 500 or 400 mAh battery. This one comes with 900 mAh battery, and this one has 100 days of standby time. I have actually been using this one for a long time now, and I don't know when I will need to recharge this one, because it feels like if you fully recharge it, maybe you can use this one for at least 3 months without any issues. As ProtoArc always use premium materials to manufacture their products, this EM01 is also the same. All the materials that ProtoArc has used to manufacture this mouse is super premium, especially these mouse buttons. I really like that ProtoArc has used special silicone for these mouse buttons because wow, it's so very comfortable. And I also like this two-tone color tone. It's super cool. Well, we need to consider the price of this mouse and all the features. After considering every aspects and every factors, I'm gonna give this mouse 9 out of 10 for build quality, 10 out of 10 for design, 10 out of 10 for comfortability, and 10 out of 10 for productivity. So at this moment, this one is the most favorite trackball mouse that I have. And yeah, I really like this ring light around the trackball. Well, that's all about this ProtoArc EM01 ergonomic sculpted design mouse. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you have loved this video, if you want to watch more videos like this, I actually do a lot other different type of tech review videos and camera comparison videos. You should check my channel, and if you like those videos, then please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through it.